How to cancel an eBay order as a buyer. So in here, first of all, get into your eBay, make sure you're logged into your account. And second most important thing that you need to know is if your purchase was like made within the last hours, you need to go immediately on your purchase history and find that, right? But if like unfortunately it has been more than an hour, then you might not be able to cancel an eBay order as a buyer because they might have already set it for shipping, or they might already have set it for delivery. So all you need to do is simply quickly get into my eBay account right here. Then from here, what you're going to do is tap on the purchases right here. You'll be able to see all of your purchase history, right? So in here you need to find that exact transaction item and then click on cancel this order, and then you need to select a reason for your request of cancel and then click on submit and wait for the seller's response. So like I said, if the item has not been shipped, they will accept your process and your refund. But if the item has already been up to shipped or delivery, then unfortunately I don't think they will be able to refund your money. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that is it for the video.